regular that you get online, some of them come with this attachment here. See the cap? We got a drill there. It's got a very small orifice opening, just like the .035 inch MIG tip that most people make their burners from. You're gonna need some calipers. Mark it, center punch it. And 3/8 just to make sure the bit will go in. Cut right through the putting much down pressure side. And there we have it. It's all melting all the way around. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Speaking of cooler content, create this simple brick forge and it's balanced.